My overall goals for the outdoor season, I would just say, staying healthy is the main priority. Staying curious and obviously achieving PRs is always, a nice little treat for us. So obviously, improving as an athlete and as an individual, but also just like lowering my mark in the 800 and making world teams. My go-to now sports products have been definitely collagen, beta-alanine, and the whey protein. Today we hit a small personal best of 159.4, and I'm just really excited to, see the results as we cross the finish line. And yeah, I'm just ready to hopefully see more PRs throughout the season, staying healthy and happy and just enjoying training.